All right, welcome into the channel, guys. Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. I am super pumped about the news that I just found out. I can't believe I almost missed this, guys. I haven't really announced this publicly, but when you guys hear this, I've only shared this with the runners inside VIP group, but I have been buying massive amounts of Corium. I guess since we are talking about that, I should pull it up here. Okay, I'm not going to tell you why I'm buying Corium. I have another video I can send to you guys, but do your own research. But the main thing that got me excited is we're talking about real world assets, a layer 1, and they're working with XRP. So you guys can go to their website and search all that. As you can see, we're not even to the all-time high yet. Mainnet launches next month, I believe. So right now it's mostly on just osmosis. But you guys can actually, this is the main DEX for XRP. You can go to trade and see there's not that much here, guys. I mean, it's XRP, Corium, Solo. The guy that created Solo is one of the lead developers for Corium. Now, what I'm excited about, okay, now we have been staking these on osmosis. As you can see, I'm not playing around with this. I got about 8 grand in here. Ooh, looks like the incentives are done. That's weird. I did not know that. Okay, so I might be, hold on a second. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but I just went down a rabbit hole and there's a lot of stuff that we need to get to. First thing is we're going to stake Corium on the mainnet to get an airdrop coming January 19th. And then I also just found out something else we're going to do to get even more of an airdrop. All right, guys, I couldn't help myself. I kept researching more and more about Corium, and my mind's blown away. So I'm like, I got to do this now. So I went to Pulsera. This is the airdrop we're going to get. So read more about it. It's called Sarah airdrop for Corium holders. So you click on that. And this is essentially going to be like, I think kind of like the Uniswap for Corium. So the airdrop, okay, we are here early, guys. Thank God I found this. All right, so total supply 400 million Sarah tokens. The airdrops will be conducted through 4 different snapshots, so I love that they're doing that. So if you have above 10,000 Corium, not $10,000, just 10,000 Corium, which is only about 2 grand right now, you're going to get a bigger airdrop. While it's below 10,000, and then we transfer that USDC, so that will also get you some. So here's the tiers. We kind of talked about this. So as you can see, the main guy I'm watching, he says there's less than 3,000 people that are going to qualify for, as of right now, this 10,000 Corium staked. So think about that, 3,000 people divided by 380 million. Let me do that math just so I can blow my mind. So that's about 126,000 tokens. Again, we don't know what the price of this is going to be, but this is XRP, guys. So I think it's going to do well. So the first snapshot is January 19th. Okay, so it's coming up. You only got a few days. And then we get it 5 days later, which is sweet. So 95 million if you have above 10,000, 2.5 million for below 10,000, and then 2.5 million for USDC holders. Now here's what they're going to do, though, is they're going to have another snapshot the 18th of April, and you can't decrease your wallet from more than 10% in either the Sarah or the Corium tokens. So basically, this is good because it means people aren't going to dump once there's, the first snapshot. Next one's July 17th, kind of the same thing, is you can't decrease more than 10%. Snapshot 4, October 15th, and same thing, you can't decrease it. And I found out from watching this guy, he's been making Corium videos for like 2 years. They got Corium in an airdrop for free, and now they're doing this Sarah thing for free. So I think they're going to be a lot like Cosmos and Atom, where once you can get into this ecosystem, you're just going to keep getting more and more tokens in airdrops. So I got excited, and while I'm waiting for this to come unstaked, because I had more than I thought. So I have almost 20,000 Corium. But when I get this out, I'm going to sell most of my Osmo into Corium, and that's equal right now. So I have about 40,000 Corium right now, but it's not going to be unbonded. So I moved some other crypto around because I'm going to do this for both wallets. So I'm going to put 10,000 Corium in my two wallets so that I get double the airdrop. But I went to my pools, and I don't know what happened if they change. Well, now it says 33. Okay. Well, anyways, it looks like the incentive is gone because we're just getting swap fees now. So I'm going to go ahead and unbond because I actually, we can get 25% staking Corium there. So I'm going to make more staking it on the actual mainnet and get the airdrop. So I'm going to go ahead and hit unbond. Approve that. So if you don't have some Corium or you want to get more to stake it, that's probably what I'm going to do because I need to buy more anyways. Okay, so I don't know why that happened. I just refreshed the page, and now you can see that those 60 shares will be available in 14 days. So if you have not bought any Corium before, I would get Atom, send Atom to your, we're going to actually use, you're going to want to get the Leap wallet, leapwallet.io. You can keep the same, it's a Cosmo Atom wallet. You can create a new one or put in your one that you use for the Kepler wallet. But we're doing so. This is worth it, guys. Get this, even if you have Kepler. So download that, pin it by going to the, here and clicking the blue pin button. Okay, so what we want to do is your assets, or like I was saying, get Atom here, swap it for Corium. Okay, and yeah. All right, now, once we have Corium here, we're going to withdraw it. And you see it's going to go to our core address. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do all of it. So I'm assuming the more you have staked, the bigger the airdrop will be. Unfortunately, a lot of it's going to be staked up 19th. So, yeah, we're going to miss it. Dang it. Well, you win some, you lose some. Okay, so now we can go to our Kepler wallet. And as you can see, I'm on Corium. So I got to on Corium by clicking here. Normally you'd be on Cosmos, right? So you just type in Corium, click on that, and you can see I have $66 here. Now we're going to go to stake, and then let's see. Yeah, so you're locked up for 7 days on Corium. So we're going to click stake. We're going to choose a validator. I found this guy on Twitter, and he is doing, this guy's really cool too. He does some YouTube videos about Corium, so I'm going to use him as well. The other guy was this one, Bruges Corium. He's doing 0%. So I'm going to do 200 with him. Review that. Stake Corium. Okay, that was simple. Beautiful. Let's do it one more time. Make sure you don't stake all your Corium because you're going to need it. You need it for gas when you do things. So I'm going to do the Zen Lounge. So let's do 100 with him. We'll review that. Stake it. All right. Super easy. All right, now I found, I was doing more research on Twitter, and I found out that if you bridge some USDC onto the mainnet Corium, you're going to get some more of an airdrop that they're doing. So let me get that set up, and then we'll do that. All right, did some research. I think I figured this out. You're going to go to tfm.com. I'll put that link below. We're going to do an IBC swap. All right, we're going to go to tfm.com. This is a great website if you're going to be in the Cosmos ecosystem. We're going to go to IBC swap. We're going to select our network. So I'm going to do Cosmos Hub Atom to keep it nice and simple, since you can get that on crypto.com. And we're going to search for the Noble network and then do USDC. We'll hit save and close. So I'm actually going to do this for 2 wallets to get a bigger airdrop. So I want to put 20 bucks. There we go. Okay. So 4.4 Atom to USDC, and we'll hit swap, confirm. Approve that transaction. Okay, so it looks like it's done. Probably took less than 2 minutes, not even that. So we should be able to go to our Kepler and pick the Noble network. There we go. We have our $40 there. Okay, so once we're here, we're going to click send, and we're going to click my wallet, and then we're going to look for which chain to send it to. And it actually doesn't start with Corium. It's going to be main Corium is what you want. So this is an IBC transfer to the main Corium wallet. Just since this is the first time I'm doing it, I'm just going to do $2 to make sure this works. So sending 2 USDC to your wallet, main Corium. We don't need a memo. So now if we go to Corium. All right, so it will just take a minute, but the USDC will show up. You don't have to add it. So now I have USDC on Corium chain. All right, so I can go back to Noble and I can hit send my wallet, main Corium, and we'll do 18. We'll do a little bit over. Send that. Done. Okay, so we're going to withdraw this into our wallet. So I'm basically just get Atom, into your wallet, swap it. Oh, you'll have to send the Atom here, deposit it, then you swap it, and then you swap it for Corium, and then withdraw it to your wallet. There we go. So if I wouldn't have split up my stakes, I'd be fine. But I'm going to do the most of this in the Zen Lounge. So again, you don't want to do all of it. All right, so I'll do 9,700. All right, so All right, so I have it right on 10,000. I'll add a little bit more. I want to get 10,000 just on one validator. I think it's fine to have them split up though, but I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do that with this wallet, and then I'm going to get another 10,000 to do it in another wallet. So I'm going to do 2 wallets with 10,000, and I've already bridged the USDC over. So yeah, guys, I think this is huge. I'm so glad we found out about this beforehand. So we got 4 airdrops coming up with Corium and what is it? Sarah. So Pulsara, guys, this is huge. I'm so excited we got in on this. All right. Well, that's it, guys. Lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.